Faster than traditional mechanical switches. Razer Linear Optical switch technology uses optical beam-based actuation, registering key presses at the speed of light. 15–30% shorter actuation distance than other linear switches at 1.0 mm. Ultimate personalization gaming immersion with Razer Chroma. Fully syncs with popular games, Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners. Supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Quality. Aluminum construction. Covered with a matte, aluminum top frame for increased structural integrity. Ergonomic. Magnetic wrist rest. Made of plush leatherette to maximize comfort over extended gaming sessions, with built-in underglow lighting. Fully programmable macro support. Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and keypress combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Unrivaled durability. Supports up to 100 million clicks with a 2-year manufacturer warranty, double the lifespan of most competitor keyboards. Top reviews from the United States. Nicest keyboard I've owned. I've had a few Razer keyboards and this is by far my favorite. My first one was a Black Widow with green mechanical keys and it was really loud and tactile. My second one was a Synosa V2 which was definitely the quietest, but it was a membrane keyboard and cheap. Also the keys started peeling really quickly. The Huntsman Elite is amazing so far. The keys are relatively quiet but still noticeable. I have the linear optical switches. The wrist rest is nice and plush, very useful for when I'm working. I don't use it when I'm gaming because it feels in the way. The keys are very sensitive and have a very low activation force. It'll take some time to get used to, but in a good way. I got this while it was on deal for $119, which is definitely worth the price. If you've been looking between this one and the K95 or etc., go with this.